So today's question is a mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight in grams of the remaining product at STP will be, and our options are 1.4 grams, 3 grams, 2.8 grams and 4.4 grams. So first we will make the equations. Our first equation will be HCOOH when treated with H2SO4 will give us CO plus H2O. This is our first equation. Second equation will be COOH twice when treated with H2SO4 will give us CO plus CO2 plus H2O. Now concentrated H2SO4 is a strong dehydrating agent. As we all know that. So moles of HCOOH will be equal to 2.3 divided by 46. That will equal to 0.05 moles. And similarly, the moles of COOH whole twice will be equal to 2.3 divided by 46 will give us 0.05 mole. So now from first reaction that we had, this was on the previous slide, we get the number of CO formed is equal to 0.05 mole. Number of CO2 formed will be equal to 0.05 mole. Hence, the total number of CO formed will be 0.5 plus 0.05 that will be equal to 0.1 mole. Therefore, total number of CO2 formed will be equal to 0.05 mole. Hence, KOH pellets absorbs all CO2, H2O by H2SO4. Thus, CO is the remaining product. Therefore, the weight of CO will be equal to 0.1 into 28. That will be equal to 2.8 grams. Hence, our answer is option number 3.